What's up, my friends? Clay with EKNIVES.com. Just got this in. Marfione Custom Dirac. Not the Delta, not the larger combat Troodon size. This is more like a Troodon. Just almost like the UTX-85, really, size-wise. Mirror polish, 204-piece steel. Blue ringed anodized hardware. It's got a two-tone look to it. It's got the bronze accent. I don't know if that'll focus on it. Blue stepped button. Hefted aircraft aluminum. Vivid blue glass breaker. Satin polish clip. Gorgeous, gorgeous OTF automatic from the custom shop at Microtech Knives. This is the only one I got, guys, so this is it. Marfione custom packaging as always with the Velcro titanium dagger. Comes with the cleaning cloth, metal COA. No serial number on this one, and it's July of 2020, and the carbon fiber box. EKNIVES.com, guys. Thank you so much.